Check out this absolutely adorable DIY glow-in-the-dark seashell painting kit that I surprised my little one with that they sent to me so I could give you guys a review. It comes with all the paint you're going to need, modeling clay in really fun colors, the glow-in-the-dark, as well as really fun sparkles and glitter. It came with stickers and other things you can add to the seashells, large seashells as well as little ones with great texture, and it includes a little instruction guide, and I loved the pictures on the guide so that you have a little something to follow if you wanted to. It was really fun to be able to get creative with my little one and just spend an afternoon being crafty. It had everything you're going to need from start to finish to be able to paint your seashells, decorate them, and just personalize them and make them as great as possible. I wanted to try out a little clownfish, and what was really great is you have a little palette that they gave you so you can mix your colors together, as well as the modeling clay was really easy to be able to mold and make some imaginary creatures, add some googly eyes on. And also what was cool about the clay is that you could mix them together as well to make some orange or some other colors that you needed to be able to finish your craft. Overall, I was really impressed with the quality and all of the different options that was packed inside the kit. Tons of accessories. My little one had so much fun playing and we did it together. This would be great for parties as well as a great gift. I would definitely suggest checking this out.